In this episode, we're going to have a look at parent-child associations. So here we have a folder, and a folder is considered a document, and a document can be either a folder or a file. So if we click on the pictures, this will take us into that particular folder, and we have 3 different subfolders. If we click within there, you can see that we then have some files within here. We can click on that file to see a preview. We can also go back a directory, and we can go into some other ones where we have some insects. We can click on them to see their previews. Going back, clicking on the music folder, we can then see the guitar picture. And so all of this is being done without any kind of gems. We also are not going to write any JavaScript for this, but we are just going to be using the power of active storage and also the turbo frame tags. And for the parent-child relationship, we're simply going to be building that ourselves from scratch. So we can go back to the pictures, we can create a new folder, I'll just call it test, and then within that folder, we can then create a new file, and that file will then give us the option to select one. I'll select the file, and then create the document, and it automatically shows up in our list, and then we can interact with it. We can go back, we can then go back into our test to see that everything is persisting.